Hi, this is a demo vid to show you the best way to apply your Love Island sticker quickly and easily. First, we're going to clean the water bottle or whatever surface you want to apply it to. Use a lint-free cloth or a wet wipe, and this just makes sure there's no muck or dust on the surface, which will leave little bumps in the sticker. If you use a wet wipe, then make sure you leave it 5-10 minutes to dry first. Now take your sticker and lay it flat, and we're going to go over it with a squidgy, or if you don't have one you can use a credit card. We're just going to make sure that the vinyl stays on the application tape and doesn't come away with the backing paper. Now we flip the sticker over and find a corner of the backing paper. You can use a nail if you have to, and using an acute angle, just pull it away. Just go slowly and carefully. This is really the only tricky part. If the sticker tries to come away with the backing paper, like there, just use a fingernail to push it back on. Hey, there we go. Right, now let's get the bottle back, and I'm just going to use my eye to line the sticker up. Just want to make sure it's nice and straight, and there we go. Now using your finger, just rub over the center point like that and work your way down the sides like this. Once it's firmly stuck down, just find a corner and peel the vinyl away. And there's your finished water bottle. I hope it is 100% your type on vinyl. Thank you.